This video is dedicated to all my amazing subscribers and to the good people of Ghana.
Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl UJ. So I promised to give you guys premium content this year. So right now we are at Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. So I'll be showing you the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. So guys, will come in with me. Let's go experience. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Let's go.
Let's talk about the history of Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum and National Park, which was built on the old polo ground and dedicated to the first president of Ghana, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, in 1992 under the presidency of Jerry John Rawlings. The aim of the mausoleum is to preserve the legacy and historical artifacts of the man who won independence for Ghana and regarded by many as the founder of the nation. The mausoleum is located directly opposite the old Parliament House of Ghana, which now serves as the office of the Commission of Human Rights and Administrative Justice. With a total land surface of 5.3 acres, the Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum is the largest historical museum in Ghana. Just in front of the mausoleum is the huge statue of Kwame Nkrumah, which can be seen from afar. While only the statue of Kwame Nkrumah can be seen from afar, the interior of the mausoleum has several sections, including the graveside and tomb of the late president, as well as museums that contains all his memoirs, from signed documents to photographs he took with some of the world's most powerful and celebrated men of the 20th century. Some of the photos found in the museum include Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's picture with Queen Elizabeth of England, Pope Pius XVI, President Nasser of Egypt, and John F. Kennedy of USA. Let's know the brief history of Kwame Nkrumah's overthrow. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, after being in power for 9 years as both Prime Minister and the President, later on was overthrown by the military under the leadership of General Katoka, who at the time proclaimed that he was liberating Ghanaians from Nkrumah's dictatorship. After the overthrow, Nkrumah took refuge in the Republic of Guinea, where he stayed as a guest of the Guinea president, till he fell ill and was taken to Romania to seek for treatment. His quest to seek for better health was, however, not successful, and he passed away in the capital of Romania in 1972. His body was returned to Guinea, where he was given a state burial by the Republic of Guinea on May 1st, 1972. During the famous state burial, the then president of Guinea stated, "Betrayed in Ghana, he found himself once again on free soil in Guinea." The government of Ghana later sent a 5-member delegation headed by Colonial Benin to persuade the government of Guinea to return Nkrumah's bodies home for burial. After months of negotiation, Sikwato reluctantly agreed, and Nkrumah's body was exhumed and flown to Ghana on July 7, 1972. He was then buried at the State House in Accra until 1992, when he was finally reburied at the Kwame Nkrumah Mausoleum, which was built on the same ground he declared independence for Ghana on 6th March 1957.
That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs. And my last warning to you is that you ought to stand firm behind us so that we can prove to the world that when the African is given a chance, he can show to the world that he's somebody. We are waiting. We shall no more go back to sleep anymore. We are going to demonstrate to the world, to the other nations, young as we are, that we are prepared to lay our own foundation. As I said in the assembly just minutes ago, I made a point that we are going to say that we create our own African personality and identity. It's the only way in which we can show the world that we are ready for our own battle. But today, may I call upon you all that at this great day, let us all remember that nothing in the world can be done unless it has the purported support of God. We have done the battle, and we again rededicate ourselves not only in the struggle to emancipate other territories in Africa. Our independence is meaningless unless it is linked up with the total liberation of the African continent. And here, I will ask the band